Many reasons may prompt you to hit the refresh button on your life. Perhaps you are going through a divorce, overcoming an addiction, healing from a serious injury or illness, or rebuilding after an emotional wound like betrayal. Regardless of where you are coming from, you can make the road ahead more rewarding by setting a good foundation. Get a fresh start on your life by figuring out where you want to go. Then adopt small positive changes to gradually improve your life. Or, if necessary, go to the extreme and implement a major life shift. Here today in this video, I will tell you 10 ways you can restart your life. Number 1. Define your personal values. If you have a desire to reboot your life, it may be because you don't feel like you are living according to your principles. Values are the beliefs, opinions, and ideas that drive your decision making and serve as a foundation for your life. To ensure that your life reset gets off on the right foot, figure out your values. Perform a self-assessment in order to pinpoint your personal values. Ask yourself, what kind of things get you fired up talking about? What would you be willing to sacrifice your life for? If your home was on fire, assuming all living beings had been rescued, what 3 items would you want to take with you? What aspects of your community or the world would you like to change? Number 2. Envision your best possible self. To further direct your path, do a visualization exercise. Visualization can be a powerful tool to clarify our desires and move us closer to obtain them. Spend some time imagining who you would like to be in 5, 10 or 15 years. Go someplace quiet where you can sit without distractions. Close your eyes, picture in your mind's eye yourself at a specific point in the future. Imagine that you are at the peak of success during this time. You have realized all your goals. What are you doing in the vision? What is your career? What kind of lifestyle do you have? Who are you surrounded by? What do you do for fun? Absorb this image fully, then grab some paper and write out some details about it. What skills or strengths do you need to make this vision a reality? How can you gain these skills? Number 3. Take a look at your daily choices. It's often said that most people overestimate what they can do in a year but underestimate what they can do in a day. True enough, life consists of weeks, months, and years. However, you get there day by day. Think about the kinds of things you do daily. Do these actions or habits line up with your ultimate goals? Number 4. Set realistic goals. After you have spent time envisioning your dreams and assessing what you are doing daily, you can develop an action plan to bring you closer to where you want to be. What can you do today to get you closer where you want to be tomorrow? Set smart goals that you can break down into smaller steps. That way, you can take some positive action towards reaching your goals every day. Number 5. Go on a retreat. One small way to hit the reset button is by participating in a retreat. Depending on your specific circumstances, there are retreats to suit virtually every preference. A retreat offers you the chance to depart from your everyday environment for a few days or longer in order to regroup and gain a new perspective or sense of inspiration for your life. Number 6. Learn something new. If your daily life feels uninspiring, you may need to invigorate your brain cells with a challenge. A pick-me-up in the form of a new skill or hobby could be just what you need to refresh your schedule. Number 7. Compliment yourself. If you view your life as dull, there is a chance you have been engaging in self-defeating thought patterns. When you feel uninspired by your life, instead of looking outward to the possibilities, you may beat yourself up for not being where you want to be. You can instantly feel better about yourself by taking time to acknowledge the positives. Number 8. Meditate daily. Sometimes a life reset means slowing down and enjoying the present moment. You may feel like you are always running from place to place and never have time to just be. Mindfulness meditation is a beneficial practice that helps you become more aware of the present moment. Number 9. Improve your appearance. If you feel like you are stuck in a style rut, pressing the reset button may include a makeover. It's up to you how big you want the change to be. If you feel like your wardrobe is out of date or colorless, go shopping for some newer pieces that flatter your body. Include some pops of color to brighten things up. Number 10. Develop a financial wellness plan. If you have been spending exorbitantly or are struggling to meet your basic needs, you may need to reboot your relationship with money. Start by developing a monthly budget that factors in all your expenses and luxurious to figure out where your money is going. Then devise a plan to either cut back on spending or increase your income to save more. So guys, that's all for today. If you feel weak, it's time to give yourself a break. It may mean you are in a period of recovery. People in the hospital don't go jogging right after surgery. Take the time needed to heal and then you will feel stronger. In the meantime, work on self-care. We will meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching.